Hi, my name's Carl DePrado. I'm the founder and owner of A2Z Business IT, located in Montrose, New York. We help small businesses such as yours, located in Westchester County and the surrounding counties, with their technology needs as their in-house IT department. We offer our ultimate care clients live answer. Instead of reaching a dispatcher and waiting on a ticket to be created, when you call our help desk, you are connected directly to a level 1 technician. We remove the wait and the hassle that goes into getting the support you need. Instead of having one person do 90 jobs, we have 90 people doing one job and doing it well. Here's our help desk. As you can see, it takes many different people to keep your business up and running. And whether it's onboarding, core services, Tier 1 support for the day-to-day issues, Tier 2 support for those special projects that require an extra hand, an extra expertise, we have it all here. You need your IT done right, on time, and on budget. It's shocking how many outsourced tech firms fall short on such a simple expectation. Our team delivers what we promise without excuse. That's A2Z Business IT. We work for your business as if it was our business. Are you an owner or an office manager? Looking for a local company that's not too big, still knows you by name, and answers the phone when you call? Are you tired of having constant IT fires and not having your staff be productive because of slow computers? Then it's time for you to give us a call. For starters, you can trust us to actually deliver our promise. We've been serving Westchester County businesses for over 10 years now and have a client base of small to medium businesses that have stayed loyal clients from the beginning. That's because we keep our promises and deliver outstanding IT support and solutions that work on budget and on time and without excuses. Thank you for taking the time to find out a little bit more about what we can do to help you with your business and your technology needs. We look forward to hearing from you shortly.